work in a factory, warehouse, or on a construction site, you know how important it is to safely lift, move, stack, and store raw materials or finished product. Powered industrial trucks or forklifts are the workhorses often used to get these jobs done. And as with any piece of equipment being used on the job, safe operating procedures are a must. A forklift being operated by an inexperienced or poorly trained employee can lead to accidents, injuries, or even death. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, requires that forklift operators receive safety training before operating any type of forklift. When an employee comes to a new job with previous forklift experience, additional training is not required if the operator is evaluated by the company and found to be competent. However, forklift operators must be retrained when new equipment is introduced, existing equipment is modified, operating conditions change, or the operator's performance is unsatisfactory. In addition, each forklift operator's performance must be evaluated at least once every 3 years. There may be a number of different types of forklifts in the workplace. Having untrained operators can create hazards. Falling loads caused by overloading, unbalanced loads, or improper loading. Loads stacked too high, obstructing the operator's view. Falls from a platform, curb, trailer, or other surface. Forklifts operating too fast. And improper maintenance. This program is intended to help you qualify as an authorized forklift operator at your company.
Proper forklift training is very important because you as the operator are not only responsible for yourself, your cargo, the forklift, but you're also responsible for everyone around you. And the machine that you're operating is a very expensive, very heavy piece of machinery, and you should treat it with respect and caution.
Before operating any forklift, you must become familiar with the location and function of the controls, the location and operation of the power plant, steering and maneuvering, visibility, inspection and maintenance, and other general operating functions.